PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP today on the 30-minute time frame. Now, in the last video update that I did on XRP, I did say that we were within an ABC correction and we were just finishing up this C wave of our wave 2, right? So you had a 5-wave move to the upside for your wave 1, and then you came down in a flat pattern, a 3-wave move down within your A wave right over here. This was your A wave. And then right when Ripple announced that they had finished the case with the SEC, we had this B wave up to the 123.6% fib. So a good way to determine if the trend is going to continue or if it's just a B wave fake out, you could take a fib from this swing high over here down to this swing low and just simply take a look at the 1.382 and the 1.236 extension. As you guys can see, we were never able to get above it over here, right? So hence why this was a B wave. Then we came down in a 5-wave move for your C wave, coming down to the 78.6% fib. If we take a fib from this low over here on March 10th up to this high on March 19th, we can see that we perfectly came down to the 786. You guys see that right over here? You see at $2.03, $2.04 area, around this level right here. Okay, you see how we perfectly came down to the 786 here. And now if we just zoom in a little, we can even see a little bit of a inverted head and shoulders pattern forming, where this is your left shoulder right on March 29th, and then you have your head and then your right shoulder over here. This over here would be considered your neckline, sitting at around $2.19, $2.20. I personally, my bias would be that we would get above this neckline, and then you may see a little bit of a check back down below the neckline, and then continue our way up from there. I'm just showing you the estimated trajectory from here, just strictly looking at the price action. Whenever you see an inverted head and shoulders pattern in crypto, you tend to go above the neckline. Everyone goes long upon the breach of the neckline, and then you have this liquidation event, a very small and fast liquidation event where it comes down back below, retracts back into the range, and then continues up from there. So we may see something like that going forward. The levels we would want to be looking at is definitely $2.04, $2.05. We would want to see this level hold here. Okay, we would want to see this level hold in order for our bullish bias to remain intact. Don't forget the 3 scenarios that I pointed out in my last XRP video. If we end up going below $2.03, $2.04, then it's likely we'll come back to $1.90 just to wick the lows on the high time frame. Otherwise, regardless of what scenario we do, whether we come back down to $1.90 or if we continue this uptrend from here, the structure is still bullish, because don't forget that XRP is still within a 115-day long reaccumulation range. So this is a wave 4 reaccumulation range, back testing this 2021 high. Notice how we were just consolidating on this 2021 high here. We never really dipped below it. We wicked below it, but we never really had any significant closes below it. So I think that this is just a wave 4. As you guys can see, when we zoom out here, we can see that this was a huge triangle in A, B, C, D, and E for your macro wave 4, and now we're on our macro wave 5 to the upside. We would be going for our macro wave 5 of 5, because this 116-day long range was our subwave 4 of 5. So going forward, these are the levels we would want to be taking a look at, okay? And we can take a fib from this high here on March 19th down to this low over here on March 31st. Okay, and just let's take a look at the fibs over here. So going forward, what XRP bulls would need to see is a push above $2.41 to $2.45. Once we can get above these 2 levels on the 4-hour time frame, then it's very likely that the bottom is in, and that this was our wave 1 and this was our wave 2 at $2.04. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I did make some updates on my XRP Wave 5 targets. So if you guys want to check that out, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. I look forward to seeing you guys all in there so I can get connected with you and just take a look at the rest of your portfolio and answer all of your questions. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Take it easy. I'll see you guys in the next one.